Today I'm going to be cutting down this problem tree with the leaner here. We got to put up with some mower noise. There's just no two ways around it. We got a whole lot to do, and we have a softball game to get to by, I think it's 2 o'clock. So we're kind of rushing to get stuff done before that. So can't wait until after. And if I want to get any trees done today, I got to do it right now. So pardon the mower noise. So you got 2 trees growing right into each other, and they are 2 different kinds of trees. Not 100% sure, but I believe this one right here is a walnut. This one is definitely a hickory, possibly a shagbark. We don't have too many shagbark hickories on our land here. They're fairly common around here, but we just don't have too many. They must have logged them out. So I'd like to save it, but I can't. There's just no way any of these trees that are blocking the big oaks, none of them are staying. So it has to come out. There is a widowmaker up there, but it's lodged in the tree, in this second tree. So for now, I'm going to pull this one out of here. I'm going to try to drop it. Oh, it can go anywhere in here, even if it hits that black oak right there. Not too big of a deal, because that black oak's going to have to come out as well. So, hello, cat. All right, she's gone to the other side of the lawn again. So that's my plan. I got to get rid of this. I got to notch it, try to hinge notch it. I'd like to have it not fall on the fire pit, but I'm kind of limited in how I can get it cut because of the proximity of the other tree, and I want to leave the other tree there holding up that widowmaker. I'm going to yank that down with a come along or something. So this tree first, and possibly that one and that one. And I'll dice them up until I gotta go. I got a noon limit on what I can do, so there won't be much fanciness here. Well, that went about as good as can be expected. I did hinge it on that side to try to make it fall this way a little bit more, but it was bouncing off of this walnut. So, and it's all twisted up there, so it ended up going where it did. It hit the little black oak a bit, but like I said, that's coming out. So now I just gotta dice this up. I gotta cut this trunk down a little bit so that I can get at this one easier when I do cut it down. I gotta pull that out of here, and then, well, that's not bothering anything right now. I want to get the trees that are shading the oak first, so I'll work that way as soon as I'm done with this one. This one's a big one right here, and then this one right behind it needs to come out right away too, that little guy. So I'm gonna dice that off and start dicing this up. This is, again, it's shagbark hickory, so at least I believe it to be shagbark hickory. It looks like it from the wood. Yes, I think it is. Okay, I'm going to dice this thing up. Okay, that about does it. At least for this morning. I think I'll come in here tonight when it cools down a bit and bring a cant hook and dice up this log. This will be saved for firewood, as will a lot of the little stove logs in there. But there is a little more light in here now already. You know, it's getting to this one here. So I guess the next one would either be that one or this one here, or perhaps both. Hit the like button if you like the videos, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to receive updates when I post new videos, click on the little bell icon and you'll receive updates. Thanks for watching, and have yourself a great day.